So Google have as they typically do, they'll set up kind of a in-country vehicle. In this case, it's called Raiden Infotech India Private Limited. So they've purchased the land and expect to ground break pretty soon, April 28th. Again, some of the info which has already been shared, $15 billion investment. So obviously pretty significant here, eventually grow to a gigawatt campus apparently. There's some clarifications on the actual size of the plot here. It's been slightly revised down, but it's still a monster plot. And then there's just additional talk about the submarine cables again, which we've touched on previously. But it does sound like this is coming, it's becoming a reality and pretty quickly.
Interesting structuring here, because I would have thought from the way that they were talking about this as Adani Connects and Airtel, that it would have been Google effectively co-locating or taking build to suit capacity from them. But if Google are buying the land through their vehicle, it must be a different commercial structure working with these companies. Because yeah, again, both Adani Connects and Airtel would be perfectly capable of acquiring their own land in their native India. But yeah, here Google's bought the plot. So whether there's going to be a blend of self-build and build-to-suit or co-located capacity to make up this gigawatt, or whether this is going to be all on a Google land with their development expertise, remains to be seen and is a little bit murky.
Yeah, I'm not sure exactly. I'm sure there's ramifications for why they're choosing to do it this way. But yeah, I don't have any additional comment on that. I'm not sure.